What's the meaning of absorbing? Absorbing. 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 The word absorbing means taking up all of one's attention or interest. It can be used to describe a task, activity, or person that is very interesting or engaging. For example, you might say that a book is absorbing if you can't put it down. Or, you might say that a person is absorbing if they are very charismatic and interesting to talk to. Here are some synonyms for absorbing: engrossing, captivating, riveting, spellbinding, fascinating, intriguing, compelling, interesting, engaging, stimulating. Here are some antonyms for absorbing: boring, tedious, dull, uninteresting, uninspiring, lifeless.